all over the world. Industrial and consumer waste from daily consumption have created islands of garbage and have begun to infiltrate human habitats. As a result, people all around the world have been directing their concern towards this garbage crisis. Is there a solution? We have a solution. With innovative technologies and care for the environment, Hangi created the low-temperature pyrolysis incinerator. The low-temperature pyrolysis incinerator is composed of a pyrolysis furnace, burner furnace, combustion chamber, boiler, cyclone, semi-dry reactor, bag filter, induced fan, washing tower, and stack. First, waste is placed into a bucket and inserted into the pyrolysis furnace. Through low-temperature pyrolysis, the waste turns into high-quality combustible gases and burns inside the combustion chamber. Steam is produced from the combustion heat inside the boiler and is then transported to a generator to generate electricity. The exhaust gas created during combustion is treated and eliminated. Lastly, the bottom ash and fly ash are safely transported to landfills. The low-temperature pyrolysis incinerator involves technologically innovative steps in the process of treatment. In the process, waste is inserted by the bucket only once a day. Air supplied from a fan in the lower part of the furnace and the heat by the ignition burner dries the waste and pyrolyzes it at low oxygen levels of 250 degrees Celsius, creating high-quality combustible gases. This process of pyrolysis allows for less than 3% of bottom ash. We realized a method for homogenizing and standardizing the output of pyrolysis gas, made possible through years of work by Hangi. We have invented a method of supplying air to the furnace's substructures, changed nozzle features, and made improvements to the gas inducer, water cooling jacket, castable, and bottom ash extraction system. This combustion system for pyrolysis gases has an excess air ratio of 1.2 and creates 40% less combustible gases than the air ratio of Stoker incinerator 1.8 to 2. The high calorific gases is burned inside a combustion chamber with minimum air supply at a temperature of 950 degrees Celsius to 1,200 degrees Celsius at the combustion chamber exit. This allows for total decomposition of dioxin and other pollutants. The heat from the pyrolysis gas combustion chamber is supplied to the boiler. The steam from the boiling water is supplied to a generator for electricity. The generating electricity is used for providing power on-site and sold to electric companies. In other words, all that can be combustible from waste are transformed into useful energy. Various toxic substances are removed through the exhaust gas treatment process. First, the cyclone uses gravity to remove big-sized dust. Also, lime is inserted into the semi-dry reactor to get rid of acidic gases. Then, lime and activated carbon are inserted into the back filter to remove dioxin, heavy metals, and minute dust. Lastly, caustic soda is added to the washing tower to completely remove acidic gases, and the clean gases are discharged through the stack. Hangi Industries' Hangi Miracle Cube possesses the ability to eliminate most air pollutants. The pyrolysis furnace is composed of 2 to 3 parts. The waste is put on standby before undergoing a batch operation system. This batch operation system is an improvement upon past continuous pyrolysis methods. Waste with high levels of moisture are dried before pyrolysis, which makes this batch operation system the best method of treatment low-quality wastes. This is how the Hangi Miracle Cube has realized a new waste management paradigm that seeks to waste and industrial waste into energy. Through research, development, and accomplishments, Hangi has discovered new and improved ways of waste management. First, the Hangi Miracle Cube has a small installation area and does not require a crane, allowing for simple installations. It also requires about 50% less operation costs than Stoker systems. Also, it doesn't require the installation of drive parts in the crane, allowing for safer operation and improved overall safety. Most importantly, it's environmentally safe. The exit chamber of the combustible chamber completely dissolves dioxin and other pollutants by maintaining a temperature of 950 degrees Celsius to 1,200 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the drive parts are very small and easily operational, guaranteeing the part's durability for up to 20 years. By completely incinerating the waste, the Hangi Miracle Cube maximizes energy output to create 30% more electricity than other waste incinerators. The Hangi Miracle Cube comprises all these advantages to give you the most advanced waste incineration systems for all kinds of waste. Now, Hangi Industries is trying to change how people think about waste. Waste isn't merely something to be discarded, but something that can create new forms of energy and become a valuable resource. Hangi never forgets about the goal of protecting the environment. Now, that dream is about to be realized. The Hangi Miracle Cube is the beginning.